Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox this Dyson Supersonic HD08 model, and this is a fast drying, no extreme heat, engineered for different hair types hair dryer. So it helps protect natural shine, smooth, controlled styling with 5 styling attachments. So we have 5 styling attachments inside here. So pioneering motor technology by Dyson. So maybe just take a look at the other side here. So all of the attachments are magnetic styling for easy fitting and rotation. So we have the first attachment called the fly away attachment. So for a smooth finish, attracts longer hairs and hides fly away using the Coanda effect. Not sure what is Coanda effects. Maybe here we just explain briefly. So what's Coanda effect? Coanda for flyaways. The flyaways attachment harnesses the Coanda effect to attract and lift longer hairs to the front while pushing flyaways out of sight. Used on dry hair for smooth finish. Okay. And then you have the styling concentrator, wider and thinner for precision styling versus the previous concentrator. And then you also have smoothing nozzle to help create volume and body, decreases frizz for a smooth natural look. Just put this down here. Then we also have this diffuser for even diffusion to help define curls and reduce frizz. And then also the gentle air attachment, cooler, gentle drying for fine hair and delicate scalps. So these are the 5 attachments, all come with magnetic. And here's a brief picture on how they look like. All 5 done. So this is not the HD15 where it comes with a, I think with a more advanced flyaway attachment, but this one doesn't have it. So this helps to save a lot of money because that attachment is pretty expensive. And let's have a look at the back of the packaging. Again, Dyson Supersonic, not fast drying, no extreme heat, engineered for different hairstyle types. So this I'll talk about the internal components. Glass speed thermistor. The thermal sensor measures air temperature and transmits data to the microprocessor. Wow, so it actually has microprocessor. Pulse wave modulation enables precise control of heating elements. So this is what we call the PWM. Powerful airflow, air multiplier technology, amplifies air by 3 times. Negative ions, charges particles in the air, help reduce static in the hair. LED indicator, clearly shows selected settings. Heat settings, 4 precise heat settings including constant cold mode. Acoustic tune, so that the powerful motor is tuned to produce 1 inaudible frequency. Fast drying Dyson digital motor V9 spins up to 110,000 RPM. Very fast. No extreme heat. Intelligent heat control keeps the temperature below 150 Celsius. Airflow settings, 3 precise airflows. Cold shock immediately deactivates the heating elements for cooler air to set your style. Insulating chamber reduces surface temperature on both the inside and the outside of the barrel. So unlike the usual hairdryer where they blow the hot, sucks air from the with a fan here and then blow the hot air out here, this one sucks air from beneath and then push it outward here. So removable filter catch for easy cleaning. And then you also have an engineered for balance. The 27mm diameter motor is positioned in the handle for balance. Interesting. So without further ado, let's check this out. So it's actually something like you put it down here and then push it up. It's gonna be a bit tight, so I'm just gonna push it out. So I'm actually upside down. Push it further. So we have another inner cupboard, nothing much. And here we have these labels. Let me briefly show you too. So it says we have 5 attachment and a hair dryer inside. Alright, gross weight 2.13 kg. Pretty heavy. Then let's unbox this. There we go. I like the unboxing experience. It's all cardboard. So here we are. We have the, I think, what color is this called again? Sort of the original color. And here is it with the C-ring sticker. Interesting. Then this is the where the attachment goes. Then I think this is the heat temperature setting, and then the speed. This is button on and off. Then this is called air. The button feels nice, pretty premium. If you can hear. And then the texture, the color also looks nice. But it is a plastic body. But it does feel very solid. And then what's interesting is, here is the filter itself. So I can actually open it up, then to reveal the inside. Other than that, nothing else, and then lock it back in. Cool. Then take this one out. And then we have the wire here. So it's pretty long. So this is the wire, and then I like the texture though. There's a bit of a texture, you see, like a soft rubber and stuff like that. And then the wire is pretty thick. Now one thing I would have wanted is detachable wire. I don't know why would I want that, but I think for portability, but I think that would be helpful. But I guess Dyson designed it this way so that this never gets attached when you're using it. So I guess that's one way to think about it. Alright, let's see what else is inside the box. So the rest are all the attachments. As you can see, it's all cardboard. So take this one out. It's pretty tight though. Maybe I'll just take this one out first. 2 more boxes, that's all. So we have 3 attachments in this box. So this is the one I forgot what it's called. Yeah. And then we have this. So these are like super hard plastic, but like a good texture ones. It's a bit soft here. Yeah. Okay. And then this is the fly away thingy. Pretty cool. So if you style your hair a lot, probably you want to use this. And then you also have this box here. So 2 more attachments. Okay, this is thinner one. So my wife actually uses this to dry her hair. These are all soft ones, so you gotta be careful. This is a magnetic one. I'll show you how to attach it with this one. And then this is the diffuser. It's pretty big. Yep. I guess it feels nice, you know, if you blow it on your hair, blow the air through this and then brush your hair like that. But this is for diffusing purposes, not for brushing your hair. What else is in the box? So regulatory compliance and safety informations, and in all sorts of language. Then you have this register your machine, okay, warranty, scan for exclusive benefits. So I guess there's an app there. Then these are the attachments. and manual, diagnostics, in different languages. Okay, that's about it. So I don't know how many warranties we have for this, perhaps at least 1 year, but I'm hoping for 3 years. So if you guys know, please let me know in the description, in the comments down below. So let me show you how to, you know, put this thing together. So it's very magnetic, so you just put it like this, so it attaches on. It's pretty sturdy, to be honest, so if you like flinging around, it won't come off, but then you can take it off like that. It's pretty firm, to be honest. Alright, and maybe let me just try and connect it quickly. Could be a bit loud, and don't know how many watt this is. 1600. I don't know, but let's try. So I'm gonna turn this on. You can even blow away the box here. It's crazy. So this is the loudest one, and this is second level, and this is lower one. And this is the heat control. You can see the LED 3 levels. So it usually goes up and down actually. Then goes to the strength and speed. And then this is the cold air button. You can really feel the air being sucked in here and then being blown out here. So let me just demonstrate the air quality again. It blows very hard though with this attachment, and so it stops very fast, and then you don't hear the, you know, the blade spinning afterwards for a bit of a time once you turn it off. So that's pretty good, and I think it's also not as loud as the other usual hairdryer. Overall, it does feel very premium. Turns off very fast, also turns on very fast. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find this useful. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.